Wax on, wax off. Hi. Meet my friend Gary. He thinks he's Karate Kid. I got 50 on he eats it. Wax on, wax off. Here we go. Hey Gary, you're no Daniel-san. No Daniel-san.
Can you imagine he falls in? Like while I'm filming this? That would be so fucking fun. Oh, he almost went. He almost went. He's got a soaker anyways. That was awesome. Daniel-san, wax on, wax off. I take on all you people I can't see. Hey, you duck. Hey, you duck, you come back here all wet. Me fuck you up, duck. Oh, yeah. That was brilliant. That was brilliant. We should cut that, put that in the movie. That was an action scene. Gone bad. Beauty. Come on, bud. Just fall in. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Whoop. No. Shit. Oh. Fudge. Damn it. Oh, we made it.